How you doing? Thanks so much for buying the Zip Seat Extractor. So the first thing we want to do is decide whether we're dealing with the older style seat or the newer style seat. We do that by fitting in the bits one at a time. We're going to start with the Evolve. That's got a hexagon version on it. Does not want to lock in. So I'm going to pull out the classic bit. Oh, there we have it. Perfect. This bit can be used with any drill, any screw gun, or any impact gun. It was really designed to be used with an impact gun, so you get that rap, pap, pap that breaks the seat free. But if you don't have one of those, you can use a screw gun or a drill. So I fit it back in, guiding it in with my hand before I do anything else. I make sure my drill's on reverse, and as I push in, I pull the trigger on the drill, and there you have it. Now we're going to figure out which bit we need for the hot seat. And don't be surprised if it's different than the bit you needed for the cold seat. Quite often you'll have one of each in a valve because a plumber had already replaced one but not the other. So by hand, I'm fitting the bit in again. This does take the classic. So this is another one of the old styles. I'm going to put that back into my impact gun. I'm going to feed it in by hand until it locks in. There, it's locked in. I'm going to make sure my gun's on reverse, and I'm going to lean into the valve while I pull the trigger, and it extracts this for me. And there it is. Just like that. Hey, thanks again for buying the Zip Seat Extractor. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please reach out to us. You can call us or go to zipseat.pro and we can give you all kinds of help there. Look forward to seeing you on our next line, which is our universal set that's going to take out every other seat